this is Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I will show you how to make an easy fruit salad. Of course, I'll be using our famous Saladmaster machine to cut all the fruits. As a serving dish, I am going to use our 12-inch deep dish skillet. Okay, now let's start. Using cone number 2, I'll remove the hopper and cut the rock melon like this. Let's put it in here. Now let me put back the hopper and let me use the same cone number 2, to cut my apple. Let's use cone number 4 for our strawberries. Banana using cone number 5. Crushed pineapple. And now we're ready to mix it. Lastly, let's add some grapes and sultanas on the top. There you go. Simple, quick, and easy. Only with Saladmaster. Thank you for watching! And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!